Hi everyone. In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how to start your Cadillac CTS with a dead key fob battery. Remember, in case the key fob battery died, you will not be able to unlock the doors with the remote. This is why you will need to use the emergency key, which is located inside the key fob, to get into the vehicle first. And after you got in, you will be able to use the remote, as we are about to show you, to start the car. We suggest replacing the battery as soon as you can. The battery you will need is a CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it. Please comment below in case you have any questions, and thanks for watching.
Hello everybody, we got a 09 Cadillac CTS here. We're going to show you how to start the vehicle if the battery is dead. So right now when you try to start, the push to start, the dashboard says no fob detected. So simply open up your armrest and take your fob and put it right there in the slot. Okay, and then put your foot on the brakes and start the car. That fob, that slot will read it'll read the chip in the key manually right there, okay, in the armrest. Thanks for watching, guys.